everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to share with you on how to cook a banana heart. Banana heart salad is a Filipino type of salad that consists of banana heart, coconut milk, tomato, onion and ginger, salt, seasoning granules, vinegar, and now we're going to clean first the banana heart. This is how to clean and peel off the banana heart. In order to put the banana heart in a pot, it needs to cut into half. And now we will put in the pot. We're gonna cook the banana heart. We did now put the banana heart, which is cut into two. Now, we're going to boil this for about 5 to 10 minutes to soften the meat of it to make a banana heart salad. I am happy to share with you on how to cook a banana heart salad because the banana heart, I just got it from the banana tree on it because we have a banana plant and I did harvest it. The banana heart is almost cooked. I will now get the banana heart. You will know that it is cooked because her skin is turned into brown. In preparing banana heart salad, first thing to do is we have to get the skin meat. After that, we have to shred the meat through hands. And since it's very hot, we have to cool it first for about 5 to 10 minutes so that it's just easy for me to shred the skin. And I'm going to shred it using your hands. This is for the example in making a banana heart salad. This is now my shredded banana heart, and now I have here a coconut that being shredded. First thing to do is to extract the coconut. You're going to squeeze it until the juice is come out. After extracting the coconut, we have to strain it so that the debris of it won't be included. This is now my coconut milk. And now, I'm gonna mix the vinegar into coconut milk to make a sauce. I already put tomato, the ginger, the seasoning granules, and the salt. This is my mixture coconut milk. Then I will pour it here. I pour it here scattered. I will mix this. The aroma now smells good. It's just a simple way to prepare, though it needs time. This is how to make a banana heart salad. This is now my banana heart salad, and I will taste it. So yummy and crispy. Thank you for watching, and if you like my video, please subscribe for more videos. Have a great day!